says my school name. My name there, the year I graduated. Oh, baby! And on the inside. Name these guys. That aggressive one on top is the little boy. Got a little one on the bottom. Not enjoying us too much. Oh my god. It's a girl. Not bear. I was thinking bear for this one. Oh, is that your baby? Is that your baby, Bobby?
You still have Ice Cream Man number? Is it the same one that I got?
You really want to go? We'll scoot that over real quick one time. Hey, you are trapped in this. Some kids wish they could be trapped in a cart full of food, so be grateful and say thank you. Oh, okay. So Carly's in love with these plants. She wants to bring them home. I'm not against it. It is a vine. You know how I feel about vines. It's really pretty and it'll match your room. Ooh. You love them? Why do you get out of my car at random times?
Flowers.
Do I have to lock you in? Brody, how's your tent going?
The flowers.
What up, dude?
This food is good right now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Brody. Tell me something that you love about your life.
That I have my mom.
You trying to butter me up?
What?
Are you trying to butter me up?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
So you could do the laughing.
You coming in?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what it was like when you were born?
Yeah.
You came into the world like that? You didn't fall into the world. The doctors caught you. They delivered you. Well, I delivered you, but they caught you. And your dad caught you. You came out like a football. You know how footballs go flying through the air and someone has to catch them?
Yeah.
You were the football. And the football said 49ers on it.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Next seat, please.
I'll turn you into a grandma frog.
I'd rather be a frog than a grandma. Brody, do you know what's going to happen to you someday?
What?
It's kind of scary.
What?
Some girl someday is going to tell you that they love you. Did you just laugh? Some girl. What are you going to say? What are you going to say if a girl says, Brody Dalton, I love you?
I don't know what I'm going to say.
What are you going to say?
Stop.
I don't know what I'm going to say.
Oh, she want to fight. You're speechless. What are you going to say? You got to say, come meet my mother. And first you have to get past my sisters.
Like that I'm dead.
Carly.
Yeah.
I love you too.
That's what you're going to say? Wait. I didn't hear you right. If a little girl says to you someday, I love you, Brody Dalton, what are you going to say?
She doesn't know my Dalton name.
She doesn't know your... What if she says, I want your Dalton name? Will you marry me? I want to be a Dalton. What are you going to say to her? Don't eat my... I hope you don't do that to her. Don't eat my hair.
Why can't you eat your hair?
Because hair is dead. You're eating something dead. Just like when you eat a cheeseburger. Or a hot dog or steak. It's dead. Don't eat my hair. Big nasty sandwich.
Eating your hair, Mom.
I forgive you. Truce? Truce? Ow! Ow! Why are you so rough with me? I'm a lady.
Brody, your butt is in my face.
You're a very loud creature. You're one of the loudest creatures I've ever birthed. Ooh, baby, have you been... When you put it on my neck, it feels too strong. Be really gentle. Because I'm a lady. Working out? Why are your arms so strong?
I've been working out.
What kind of workouts do you do? These are huge.
Push-ups.
Push-ups. Maybe you're only 6. You shouldn't have big arms like this.
Like these?
Yeah, I'm kind of nervous by you. Brody.
Yeah.
Brody. Why is your sister asleep?
Because I'm alive, but I'm dead.
Do not say that!
I have never in my whole life.
That's my best friend.
There was a black spot on the ground. And she
Not a black spot.
because I said, can I go?